What is up, guys? I just had an incredible breakfast here at the Pavilion Hotel out in Phnom Penh, and it has been a great morning so far. So today I'm going to be picked up at 9:30 by Sun Tours in Phnom Penh, doing the Discovery Phnom Penh tour, and we're going to be checking out temples, to the Royal Palace, to museums, all these different landmarks today out in Phnom Penh. And you know what? Let's get on with the vlog. Lucky, Chris. Nice to meet you. So this is Lucky with Sun Tours. He's going to be taking us around Phnom Penh today. Yeah. Discovery tour, is that right? Nice tuk-tuk, I love it. This is fancy. Okay. Absolutely beautiful.
That is a luxury tuk-tuk.
Luxury tuk-tuk. I love it.
Welcome to Cambodia, Phnom Penh. It's an economic city and culture center. Okay, we can start.
Let's do it. So Lucky was telling me that a tour is allowed for up to 4 people on this tour. It costs $19 in total, so if you have 4 people, it's just under $5 per person. And where we're heading to first is going to be checking out the Royal Palace. In this tour, it basically is for his time. So whenever you get to these different locations, if there's an entry fee, you pay for the entry fee yourself. But this tour is a full day tour, and he takes you to all these locations. Half the places or some of the locations are free coverage, so you go in for free. The Royal Palace costs 10 USD to get in, and we should be there in just a few minutes. Literally like a 2-minute drive from where he picked me up, we made it to the Royal Palace. So this is actually the court, and the Royal Temple is right over here. It's big. The Royal Palace in Phnom Penh has been occupied by kings and queens since its construction in 1866. The palace faces east and the Mekong River, and it's subdivided into 4 compounds. Here you go.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you. So 10 American dollars, I paid for my ticket to get into the Royal Palace. Looks like this is the entrance. Thank you. And you said, unfortunately, in Thailand you can't get into the Royal Temple, but in Cambodia you can, right?
Yeah, because Thailand, they want to keep the secret inside.
Ah, okay. So they're trying to keep it sacred. So this is kind of like a blessing to be able to come into the Royal Palace here.
So in Cambodia, they are open heart. They want to show people about the Khmer culture and Khmer civilization.
Hello, Chris. Welcome to the vlog. Chris, hello, welcome to the vlog. We got a couple more guests with us. You guys are from Indonesia?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. I was just in Bali for 2 months.
What? 2 months?
And I am already sweating like a fat pig right now. So Lucky's telling us this is all the tourist place, and the king lives right back there.
The tourists cannot go inside. Yeah.
Tourists cannot go inside?
Yeah, because they're not allowed to king with a lot of tourists.
What if you're trying to sell something to the king, like cookies or...
No.
So it looks like some of the places are off limits to tourists around here, either in construction or just you're not allowed to go there. Probably like where the king lives. Now we're going inside, taking cover. It's too hot.
So we step one by one.
Oh wow.
All of that.
So these are like traditional costumes. This is for the wedding ceremony. Wow. Bronze. This is a bronze bowl. And this way is tourist galore. And this is a wedding dress. And it's 100% gold, which is kind of crazy. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. And apparently they shrunk Angkor Wat down to this. So you can see the 3 levels of Angkor Wat, the first level, the second level, and then the 3rd level. All right, so now we're entering Z, Silver Pagoda. And this is the Silver Pagoda. Yep, he says no pictures. All right, so no cameras allowed. We are exiting the Silver Pagoda. It is pretty cool in there. Essentially what the king did is everything in there is made of gold. So plates, silverware, swords, everything's made of gold. There's gems, and this is Silver Pagoda.
Another part have aircon. You can go another place before.
We're chasing down air conditioner now. Wow, this is incredible. This is made out of a tree. This is essentially a book. There's no other countries that has this but Cambodia.
Yeah, Cambodia. So here is a cultural place that the king make this place for show people about people, house, people, Cambodia, house style here. We have a lot of kind of house style. Because of the war, that all of the house was gone a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we found one. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This place is incredible. So now we entered a Cambodian traditional room. See, that's like where they would eat. This is probably where they would sleep. This is a Cambodian instrument right over here. They got their own mirror. Traditional Cambodian room. Pretty cool.
Place.
Dinner place, yep.
Yeah.
Yep, that was my guess.
We have a food on the top here. Oh!
Oh, lucky. Oh. I got it on video. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. We can glue that back together though if you want. If you have glue. Oh, lucky. Oh, jeez. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh, that's absolutely incredible. So Royal Palace is open twice a day. There's a period where they take a break and then you're able to go back at starting at 2 p.m. I believe. I'll put it right over here. Besides that, yeah, it's absolutely incredible being able to enter the Royal Palace, unlike being able to do that in Thailand, unfortunately. But in Cambodia, you're able to pay 10 American dollars and you're able to enter the palace, compared to Thailand where they don't allow you in it. They want to keep it sacred, which definitely makes sense. And whoop, I am doing a balance walk right now. And yeah, we're heading out of the Royal Palace right now, and we're gonna be checking out Central Market, which is about 10 kilometers from here. So let's do a little shopping out in Phnom Penh. Whoop. Hey, bye, bye. Just kidding, he's looking for a place to park. 10 kilometers away, we made it to Central Market. Again, this is the largest tourist market in all of Phnom Penh. There's Arisi Market also, which is a market not for tourists, more for locals. Larger market than this one, but this is the main one for all tourists and the largest one for tourists. And everything's negotiable, so when you're at a place like this, don't forget, negotiate, negotiate, negotiate. And this is Central Market. I'm stepping in your way, sorry. So I actually been to Central Market. I was here about a week and a half ago with Rachel, and I bought a tripod for my camera. And I think it started off as $25 and I negotiated it down to $12. 50% off, so don't forget, everything's negotiable. I do have a vlog about that. I'll throw the link below on negotiating out in Southeast Asia. And yeah, this is Central Market for you. Wow, so many people. It's not as busy as the Chatuchak market out in Thailand, but it is definitely busy here. Now I guess this is like the food area. Woo! Smells a little better than the seafood. Definitely wasn't one of my top 5 smells of all time. So normally it's 18. Can you do this for like $9? Can you, if you guys can do it for 9, I'll buy it. 14?
Discount for you, good price. And free cash for you.
I don't need, see, I don't need the case. It doesn't bring any value for me, the case. 13? I don't think so. Thank you though.
You give me last price?
What's that?
Last price?
I have 9 singles, so I'll do $9, and I don't need a case or anything like that, and I'll buy it for you right now.
11. $1 profit, $11. Very cheap for you.
That's okay. I only have 9 singles. Is that okay? Okay. All right, I got it for 9. Wow. Thank you, Akun. Thank you. The art of negotiating. So he started off at $20, bumped it down to 18, said he'd give me a discount, bumped it down to 16. I stuck with 9. Literally half, less than half, like 60% off of what he said. And you just gotta be firm, you just gotta walk away. At least show that you're gonna walk away. And I won $9. I got polarized Ray-Bans. See what I did there? Fake Ray-Bans. All right, great success. We are heading to Wat Phnom right now, which is essentially where Phnom Penh got its name from. It's the history of Phnom Penh. All right, so we made it to Wat Phnom right behind me. Wat means pagoda, Phnom means mountain, so it's mountain pagoda. Wat Phnom was built in 1373, standing 27 meters above the ground, known as Mountain Pagoda. The sanctuary was rebuilt many, many times in past centuries and modernized in 1926. I was here about a week and a half ago, right before Karong, and yeah, it's $1 to get in. I'm not gonna go in this time. I'm gonna get some shots on the outside and enjoy the time here in Wat Phnom. Again, it's the central area of Phnom Penh, and it is absolutely beautiful here. There's some steps right over there, which you can see, and it is $1 to get in. All right, thank you guys. Take care, nice to meet you guys. Thank you for the tour, really appreciate it for the half-day tour.
Okay.
I'll talk to you later, maybe we'll do another tour this week.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
Have a good night. Thank you for everything. Take care, guys. Enjoy, guys. I love it. There's like bird sounds from a speaker over there right when you walk in. That was an incredible half day with Sun Tours and Lucky. Basically the half day tours are $12 for 2 people, so I was one, so I paid $12 just for me, and they take you around, but you have to pay for all the entrance fee and all the tickets when you're going to these different spots. Where they're heading to right now is to Silk Island, which is basically traditional silk creation, weaving. There's demonstrations there, and they're doing the full day tour, which is $19 for a total of 4 people. There's so many different places that you can go to, like the National Museum, the Killing Field. For some reason, everyone promotes the Killing Field, but I don't feel like going to the Killing Field today, and I made it back to the hotel, which is nice. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, guys. But yeah, if you guys are in Phnom Penh, I would highly recommend you guys hit up Sun Tours. It was a lot of fun going around the place with Lucky. I'll put their link below so you guys know how to reach out to Sun Tours. I have a massage set up for later on today here, and I'm gonna do a little relaxing, get a little editing in, and definitely get some food first. And for lunch, I'm having the beef lok lak. This is one of my favorite meals out here in Cambodia. It's absolutely delicious. It's kind of like beef mixed in some type of a curry sauce with rice, and it comes with an egg. So it tastes absolutely delicious. And right now I am editing the vlog for flotation with this beautiful pool. So the pool looks absolutely beautiful. This is the lush pool that they have here. They also have a sun view pool. I think that's what it's called. That's back there, but this pool is absolutely beautiful right in front of the restaurant. Got some work, got some lunch. And I have a glass of red because I miss my California days. Cheers. So I'm heading downstairs right now. I have a 9 p.m. massage that got switched to 7 that I changed to 5 p.m. just to get the massage a little sooner. And here's the massage bed, so it's a Thai massage. Oh, I'm so stoked for a Thai massage. Thank you. Ooh. And hot tea. Ooh. Oh my goodness, what an awesome massage. And I have some hot tea after the massage. It's about typical. I almost fell asleep, kind of dozed off. But it felt amazing, the Thai massage. A lot of stretching, she stepped on my back, and it was, oh, it felt so good. I'm gonna finish this tea and figure out what to do next. It's almost like 5 o'clock, so I think dinner calls very soon. My stomach hasn't been feeling too hot the last few hours, so maybe something noodles, maybe something simple I'll go for, we'll see. And the thing about vlogging here in Phnom Penh, I hear you gotta be pretty like tight with your stuff. Like while you're riding around the tuk-tuks, 2 different guys told me to keep your like hands in, don't stick your cell phone out or take photos. So I'm gonna put my vlog camera away for now and be a little safer with it. We'll see where this leads me. And keep in mind, this is like 5 o'clock, so this is like heaps rush hour. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I did a little driving around with the tuk-tuk driver for a while, you could say, and we stopped at Ninja, which is a ramen place, Japanese place specifically. And it's funny, this is the first Japanese place that does not have green tea. A fail. But I got some ramen, I'm super stoked for the ramen. My stomach hasn't been doing that great for the last few hours, so hopefully some ramen, simple ramen will do. The ramen bowl was $6.50 and extra noodles was $1 American also, so $7.50 total for the bowl of ramen out here in Phnom Penh. A little more expensive than a regular dish, but I'm looking forward to the ramen. Let's chow down now. Alright guys, so I ended up getting back to the hotel. My stomach was a little bit better and I ended up leaving the pavilion yesterday. I checked into the Kabiki Hotel, which is my 3rd hotel in Phnom Penh, and this place is phenomenal. So I'm doing something which is brand new here at the Kabiki Hotel, and I'm the first influencer to try this type of room out. It's called glamping in the Jungaloo room. So glamping, which is known as glamorous camping, main reason being this is a giant tent that I'm in, which is really, really cool. So it's a double insulated tent. The noise is pretty much blocked out. You could still hear some of the noise outside, and it is like a luxurious tent. So if you know me by now, I'm not one for camping. I'm not one for being in the wilderness, being in tents, but this style I highly recommend. The bathroom, the shower, everything is luxurious, or glamorous you can say, all the way from the inside of the tent. This is pretty nice. I absolutely love it in here. And the AC is right over the bed, so you're always kept cool and you're always kept clean. So what I'd highly recommend is check out the Pavilion Hotel, or even check out the Kabiki Hotel and check out their Jungaloo room, because this is one of the most unique experiences I've ever stayed in. And I would highly recommend Sun Tours out here in Phnom Penh to take you around and take you on day tours, or you can also do a half-day tour. I'll link all the hotels and all the tours down there below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be producing one more vlog out here in Phnom Penh before I head back out to Bangkok this Saturday. And it's going to be another discovery type tour where I'm going to find a random tuk-tuk, show you guys what it's like to negotiate with a tuk-tuk driver, and run around the city of Phnom Penh. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog series out here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia Part 2. It's going to be 3 vlogs in total out here in Phnom Penh before I head back out to Bangkok to start a big project on Saturday. And even when I start this project on Saturday, I'm still going to attempt to vlog at least once or twice a week. That's my goal, to keep you guys happy, keep you guys proud. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to the channel if you guys are brand new. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified of my last Cambodia Phnom Penh vlog. And I'll catch you guys in another Thailand vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, the Jungaloo room. This place is awesome.